Dollar signs in the chat if you want to know where the money's at. Dollar signs in the chat if you want to know where the money's at. Dollar signs in my chat if you want to know where the money's at. The Trump, the money might be in the Trump castle. I don't know. I don't know what's going on. We got people complaining. We got people exposing people over this new, some people calling it a meme coin. They said the Trump family has amassed $5 billion fortune after the crypto launch. It said they notched as much as $5 billion in paper wealth on Monday as its flagship crypto venture opened trading of a new digital currency. The launch is akin to an IPO, initial public offering, in which the cryptocurrency, World Liberty Fi, WLFI, be careful because there's a lot of fakes out there, can now be bought and sold on the open market like listed company shares. Beforehand, people who had privately bought World Liberty Fi from the Trump venture hadn't been able to exchange their tokens. The trading debut was most likely the biggest financial success for the president's family since the inauguration. The Trump family, including President Trump himself, holds just under a quarter of all World Liberty Fi tokens in existence. Trump's three sons are co-founders of World Liberty Fi, while it names the president a co-founder emeritus. World Liberty Fi says founders and team members tokens remain locked, meaning they still can't sell them, but the trading launch now puts a real-world valuation on their holdings, which previously were valued based on private sales. World Liberty Fi is likely now the Trump's most valuable asset, exceeding their decades-old property portfolio. While the president's family has continued to pursue property deals around the world since taking office, the fastest moving crypto business has had the biggest early impact. Wow. World Liberty Fi, some people were complaining about the World Liberty Fi token. They saying it's a rug pull, it's a disaster. I don't have any. I'll be honest with you guys. I'm always gonna keep it funky with you. I don't have any of that stuff. It's I don't know. It's hold on. Let me add this to my watch list so I can fix the chart for you guys. Let's go 5-day. Come on, yeah, yetch. Let's put this up on the screen. Let's take a look at the charts. Hold on. Let's fix this. Trading View been acting real funky lately. So it came out the gate and it sold a bunch. And I honestly, I think that has a lot to do with the previous holders. The previous holders who bought in the first round, obviously they sold. I think there was up to 25% they could sell. So it did take a bit of a dip. Today is okay right here. We're the second, so it's down on the day. It's down 3% on the day, but it's worth 22 cents as of this moment. I don't know what the long-term value is, but it seems like there could be a uptrend here. I don't know. If you got it at 21 cents, you're up, or 20 cents. What is this? This is like 20 cents or something like that. 21 cents. You would be up. Is this a long play? Maybe. I don't know. It's highly speculative, though. I don't know what other marketing plans they have, but if they have other marketing plans, this could be a good play. Could be. In the meantime, we got IPO watch out here. IPO watch. We were always watching IPOs. Klarna is set to IPO. I think the date on this one is September 12th, or next week, or the week. Well, that's next Friday because that's HotepCon. The buy now, pay later lender and some of its investors plan to sell 34.3 million shares in the IPO at prices expected to be between 35 and 37, aiming to raise up to 1.27 billion. So look out for that IPO. I don't know how bullish I am on this IPO. I don't know if I'm gonna grab any. But this other IPO we got looks pretty juicy. It looks pretty juicy. This Gemini IPO, now this one has my interest. Crypto exchange Gemini is pushing into the U.S. public markets with one of the most high-profile IPOs in the industry this year. Company founded by the Winklevoss twins plans to raise up to $317 million by selling 16.67 million shares priced between $17 and $19. If the man holds a deal, would value Gemini at roughly $2.22 billion. The date on this one is, what's the date? I think this one might be the 12th. I don't know. I have to get the date on this for you. Hold on one second. Let's get the Gemini IPO date. Let's see here. Is this one the 12th? Oh, no date has been set yet. Okay, so we don't have a date on this one. So I think the Klarna one is next Friday, IPO, which means you would have time. I don't know if they're allowing pre-subscriptions on that one, though. I don't know if they're going to have I heard that there might not be pre-subscriptions. Double check me on that. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what's going on with that. In the meantime, between time, Markel, I hate you. Last week, Markel said AMD is going to 158, and you better believe that bitch went to 158 this morning. That shit touched 158. It has since bounced. It's at 160. We did get a good play in last week. We did get it at 170. But we're looking to get this thing back above 162. If we go above 162, sky's the limit on this one. Sky's the limit on this one. But it's all contingent upon Trump Thursday numbers. We got the inflation numbers coming in Thursday. We got the PPI coming in, and I think the CPI numbers coming this week as well. Actually, I think PPI is either today or tomorrow, and then Thursday is the CPI. I can't remember. But we got inflation numbers coming in. Bond market is crazy nuts. 5% the bond interest rates are at. The bond market it makes absolutely 0 sense right now. Shit's going parabolic. But the play you want to make right now is right here. Silver. Silver's the play. We're looking at January 26 calls. We're looking at January 26 calls on silver. Silver, we talked about silver last Friday with Rice Crypto. And this paid off. This play this morning paid off really well for us. But yeah, silver looks like this thing could go to 40. This is SLV, I Share Silver Trust. And we're looking at taking this one long. Maybe a couple of weeks, maybe January 26th to be safe. Markel, what you think, man? We looking Gucci on the silver, right? We open new monthly candles. A new monthly candle, so it's high time frame pullback. Don't worry. Yeah, I'm looking at a pullback on the SPY. On the SPY, I'm looking at a pullback on the SPY, but we got gold had a great day today. Nice rally on gold, nice rally on silver. So that's what we're looking at, man. I think you guys make a long-term contract for silver or gold. It's gonna be love. You like that, Markel? Let's go. Store in the Film says, why not buy the actual commodity? And the correct answer is, why not buy both?
Hotep, you're a genius. HotepJesus.com.
See, what you do is you get the contract on the SLV, and then you take the profits from the SLV and you buy real silver. That's how you play that. So you get the contract, quick double up, quick 30%, 50%, whatever, and then you put that into your real assets. if you wanted to play it that way. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. It's your financial update of the day. Shout out to King J. Thank you for the clips. YouTube, if you're over there, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, hit the notification.
This product does not boost your testosterone. Boosting your testosterone is unhealthy. What this product does is it balances your hormone levels and frees up a natural testosterone production. That way you can get back to what you really want to do, which is hit the gyms.